gentlemen, a new, powerful gaming computer. I do have my 2.3 dual core sitting next to me. That's quite a performance, but it's time to do an upgrade. Right, this time it's no silly little dual core, silly little quad core. We're going to full way. The new, powerful AMD 6-core processor. This is the FX-6 Black Edition processor. 3.3 GHz, 15 megabytes cache, easily overclockable to around about 4 GHz. One powerful processor. You can see it in there. One super powerful processor. I'm also going to be using gaming RAM, 8 GB DDR3, 1600 MHz. So this is proper gaming RAM. This is Kingston HyperX. Now this is proper RAM, proper gaming RAM. Off a solid state drive. This is an Agility 3 series, SATA 3, 6 gigabits per second, or around about 512 megabytes read and write speed, which is astonishing powerful. Asus M5A97 platform. This is really powerful. AMD 3 Plus, up to 8 cores it can support. USB 3.0 Turbo. It supports 2 graphic cards. It has 6 SATA ports. Can handle up to 32 gigabytes of memory. It is very powerful. All of this is going to be running with Windows 7 Ultimate and 64-bit. That's going to be some powerful stuff. We document the build, computer in a proper gaming case. We'll have it all ready. It will be my new editing computer, performance PC, work PC, whatever I want it to. I do need to upgrade my old system. This is just a heads up of what I'm building. Alright guys, so I've got all the stuff ready for my computer. We've got the Tornado RAID Max case and power supply in there. We've got the motherboard, SSD, wireless adapter, the processor, the RAM, DVD writer, SATA cable, and the motherboard. Now we'll just go and open up this big box and we'll have a look inside, and then we'll get everything ready, because the first thing is to open up the case. So here we've got the case sitting on my thing. It's got a side window with a LED fan in there. It's got quite a nice little logo there. Power supply's up there. Nice fan there. Yeah, it's pretty good. Plenty of hard drive space. Front, it's got a nice fan in here, I think. Or not. Oh yes, it does. It has a big fan in here. 2 USBs, audio out, mic in, power button. Oh, that must be restart button. That's power on button. DVD video cover thing there for the CD player. Up there. So we should be right to put the motherboard in now. That's the next step. So this is the inside of the case. Hard drive rack, CD, DVD writer rack, the power supply, RAID Max power supply. Here's all your cablings for your power supply. Here's your front ports and audio. We've got a big fan up here. I don't know how much millimeters it is. It's a bit loose, so it might make a bit of noise. We've got another big fan here, about the same size as that one. And we've got another fan on the side window of this too. This looks pretty cool. This is the Asus motherboard. We've got cables there, back plate, and the actual motherboard itself. Alright, so get the protective wrapping out of it. Put the back plate in the case, and then screw it in. Alright, so I've now installed the motherboard. It's in there now. I had to remove that fan so I can reach in there. We've got the back panel on, and we've got all the USB and shit down the back. Make sure the power supply is off. Here we've got the Kingston gaming RAM. I'm just going to open it up. I've already opened up this end. Pull the RAM out, we're going to insert the RAM. HyperX. I like that fish scale effect. Proper gaming RAM. Right, so we'll open these up. We'll put them in. Wow, these are nice. Now we've got to put the AMD CPU in, so we'll quickly open that up. Here's the CPU here. Quite large with the pins on the bottom. Little stick of the case. There's a CPU there. Put that over there for now. We've got all the other bullshit here. So we've just got the heatsink in here now. This is just a basic heatsink. So we'll install that. All finished. RAM's in. CPU's in. Everything's all in now. Just got to put the side back on again and power it up. Install Windows 7. Alright, so here's my computer all set up. This is the front of the case. We have our RAID Max logo, the audio USB, the stickers. You all like the stickers. And we've got the DVD writer up there. 2 1.5 terabyte drives. The side of the computer, you can see in there, there's not much light. There's not enough light to be able to see, but you get the point. It's got a nice window, a nice cool fan logo there. You can see the heatsink in there, blue fan down the back. We'll boot it up. There we are. You can see it all in there. The AMD processor, the RAM, the fan, the power supply, this little fan thing at the front, another fan at the front. We have the wireless LAN card, we have the graphics card, a few heat sinks in there for onboard stuff, like this. These sort of computers are quite cool because the BIOS, you can actually use your mouse in it, and it's like a computer program. We're just starting now, so it only takes about 10 seconds to boot. I'll just clean the camera. Bloody useless piece of shit this camera is. So it's all ready to go. It was quite slow that time because it had the hard drives that I've connected, so I'll be installing those during the boot up.